did these in class, I left two slope problem at the bottom. Notice this is x equals to 1 for this line. That's y equals -2. Finding slope here. Slope, this one is undefined, and the flat one like that is slope is 0. Okay, this is x sub 1, y sub 1, first point, x sub 2, y sub 2, second point. So the equation slope of a line, m stands for slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So y sub 2 is -20. -20 minus, oh, that's x sub 1. It's y sub 1 here, -8 plus. Okay, over x sub 2, which is 19, minus -34. Positives. Okay, so your answer then is -12 over, let's see, 15? Yeah. No, add them together. I'm subtracting. Add them together. Is that 19? Yeah. 53. Cannot be reduced, and that's your answer. Now, this one here, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. I want you to write formulas for every one of these because first time you're using it. The y's, change in y over the change in x here. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2, that's -8. Y sub 1 minus 30, that's -38. Two negatives you add. 14 minus this -10 plus, you got -24. Reduced by 2, you get 19. 2 negative is a positive over 17. And that's your slope. Yeah. Double check by adding by itself, right? It should divide by 2. Now, you don't have to do the journal part. This is the last 2 pages of your text. Great Freight, a local company, based its charge on the weight of shipping items. In addition to charging 40 cents per pound, per means times, because it's adding each pound. P, let's use P for pound, unless they say to use another variable later on. Great Freight also charge a one-time fee of $10 plus 10 to set up for a customer account. How much does Great Freight charge a new customer to ship a package that is 20 pounds? Okay. 40 cents times 20 pounds plus the $10 setup fee. That's 8 with 2 zeros. $8 plus $10 equals to $18 for 20 pounds. It's not too bad. Pound item. Okay, how much does Great Freight charge a new customer to ship package that's 50 pounds? 40 cents times 50, because it's 40 cents a pound, plus the $10 setup fee. That's 20 with 2 zeros. $20 plus 10 is $30. Okay. Estimate a new customer. It's $45 to ship. Estimate the pound. Okay, the equation. Write an equation for the problem is y equals to 40 cents times the number of pound, or y is cost. Well, it didn't say to define the variable. I'll just put C for cost. The cost is 40 cents plus 20 cents per pound plus the $10 setup fee. Well, the 45 goes there. 45 goes there, equals to 40 cents per pound. Now you subtract 10 for the initial fee, right? 35 equals to 40 cents per pound, so they have $35 left after the setup fee. Oops. divide by 0.4, divide by 0.4. When you divide, no calculators, guys. 0.4, make 4 whole, make 1 over. 1 over, 1 over. Divide that. 35 is 8, 32, 3, 0, 6, 7. 7 is 28. Point, remainder 2, 0, 20.5. So 87.5, 87 and a half pounds. 87.5 pounds. That's how much shipping they can do. 2 over 4 is a half. I shouldn't have even gone further. 87 and a half pounds. Okay? That's what they can ship with $45. Okay. Next one here. Whew. 2 brothers, Mike and Mark, both got job offers at a grocery store. Mike gets a job that offers at Fresh Food making $10 per hour. Okay, so Mike, here's Mike right here, working at Fresh Food. Okay, so he is making $10 an hour. Mark gets a job offer at Groovy Groceries, making $8 an hour plus a one-time hiring of $100. So 8H plus that $100 one-time signing and bonus. Each twin believes his job offers is better. Complete the table for the given number of hours worked. Okay, so this might make $0 here. At 0 hour, Mark hasn't worked any. He makes $8 an hour, but they're giving him as a hiring bonus of $100. So 8 times 0 plus 100 is still $100, right? So the ordered pair for Mike here is 0, 0. Mark is at 0, $100. 0 hours, he still makes that $100, okay? 20 hours, so 10 times 20. At 20 hours, Mike is earning $200. At 20 hours, 8 times 20 plus 100 is, that's 160 plus that, so 20 hours is 200 and $60, right? Because 160 plus 200. 40 hours, 10 times 40 is, thinking the answer ahead of time. So 40, he makes $400 here. 8 times 40 is 320 plus $100. 40, he makes $420. So 40 hours, Mark still makes more money, right? Makes $20 more. Okay, and then at 60 hours, 10 times 60 is 600. So 60, Mike makes $600, while Mark, 8 times 60 is 48. 0 plus 100, oh, it's 500. Oh, it makes less at 60. 60 hours, Mark makes $580. All right, so let's graph this. Whose shop offers barter, Mark? Explain your reasoning. Well, up to 40 hours, Mark will make more. Looks like at 60 hours or greater, Mark's going to make more. 0 to 40 hours based on the table. See, based on the table, are they going to have us graphers? Create a graph of the data. Okay, then explain C. Okay, let's do Mike. When you do this, you need to graph one at a time. You need to graph Mike's graph first, and then Mark. I'll do it in a different color. I'll do pink. Pink's awesome, right? No, not pink. We'll do it red. Mike in red at 0, 0. This is Mike. And then at 2200. 4, 8, 12, 16. Plus 4 is 20 right now. 20 and 200. 20, 200. Going 40, 80, 120, 60, 200 right there. And then 40 is at 400. Right there. And then erase it. And then 60 is at 600. All the way to the top. And this is, whose line is this? I swear I didn't have time to tell you. When you're graphing, you need to label whose line this is. This is Mike. Okay, you need to label the line Mike. And then Mark's. Mark is at 0, 100. So right there. 20 at 260. Okay, and then 40 at 420 right here. Still a little bit higher. 60 at 580. Okay, and this is Mark. Okay, so based on this information, it looks like around 44, right? That's where they, right here, 48. 40, I say 46. That's where they charge the exact, it's where they make 46 hours where they make the exact same amount. So whose job offer is better? Let's see. Mark is better. Oops. Notice this line here. Mark is better here up to right there where the line meets, to about 44 hours. Mike's offer is better up to about 44 hours. This graph is higher than Mark. This graph is higher than Mark. After 44, I need to write the word after. After, oops, 44 hours, then Mike is a better deal. Okay, try this. It's optional. See who gets it. I'll be curious. Okay. Alrighty, and that's it. Your homework shouldn't be long, guys.